In this question, you have to identify a structure in an angiosperm that develops from the megaspore. Option A, endosperm. Now, the endosperm develops after fertilization when one of the male gametes fuses with the central cell of the embryo sac, but it does not arise from the functional megaspore. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, embryo sac. The functional megaspore undergoes a mitotic divisions to form the female gametophyte, also known as embryo sac. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, embryo sac. This is incorrect because the embryo develops after fertilization when the zygote undergoes division, but it is not formed directly from the functional megaspore. Option D, ovule. It is also incorrect because ovule is a structure of the plant that contains the megasporangium, which produces the functional megaspore. But the ovule itself does not develop from the functional megaspore.